Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, check your PC OS and available slot because compatibility saves time. Connect the adapter physically, USB or PCIe, while power is off for safe handling. Use a small screwdriver if needed. Once done, power on and open Device Manager to spot the new hardware. Make sure built-in Wi-Fi is disabled if you plan to replace it. Next, prepare drivers. Keep the CD ready or the downloaded installer in a known folder so installation begins immediately. You install drivers now. Run the vendor setup as administrator, follow prompts, and reboot when required so services initialize properly. After reboot, open network settings to scan for your SSID. Select the correct network, choose WPA2 or WPA3 security, and enter the password accurately. Once connected, go to Adapter Properties to set priority and decide DHCP versus static IP based on your network. Enable 5 GHz mode. If supported to reduce congestion, you finish by validating the connection. Check link speed and signal strength in the adapter UI. Reposition the adapter or attach the external antenna to improve RSSI. Make sure drivers and firmware are current and create a system restore point before any big changes. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot methodically. Inspect adapter LEDs for status, run ipconfig or ifconfig to confirm IP assignment, temporarily disable firewall to test, and reinstall drivers if necessary. One clear fix often resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.